I don't know if I can do this. I don't think I can ingest insect bug killer, things that people use for bed bugs. I don't know if I can do it. Is it worth the hair growth? I don't know. What's going on, everybody? It's June and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know you read that title and it's not clickbait, okay? For some of you people out there that are like, oh, this is clickbait because she's not going to ingest insect killer to grow her hair. But on the contrary, I just might. I have been like really reading all your comments, and I've been seeing that a lot of you are saying to take as a supplement diatomaceous earth. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I can do this, but I will do it for you guys. I don't have it here now. I want to see if they have it in pill form first. I don't know if I can ingest diatomaceous earth orally. I just don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I know that it kills bed bugs because I've done a video on that a while ago. Like, yeah, I did a video on that and I used diatomaceous earth to kill, I had a little bed bug thing here a long time ago and I used that and it killed them. Ooh, and I just can't imagine ingesting something that kills that bug. I don't know. See, something like that will probably make me throw up. But a lot of people say that there's no taste to it. And I was watching some guy on YouTube last night and he had it in a spoon and he immersed it into water very slowly until it got like kind of muddy, like saturated. And then he downed it and he didn't look bothered by it at all. And I was sitting there watching, I was like, oh no, I can't. And then he drank a little bit of the water, which was cloudy from the diatomaceous earth that fell. I keep saying diatomaceous earth, it's diatomaceous earth. Okay, so I'll put it right down here, diatomaceous earth. There was no R there, but yet I keep saying it. So yeah, I'm on the hunt. I need to know, does this come in pill form? Because I don't know if I can ingest that. I really don't. I have a very bad gag reflex. If I put anything in my mouth that I don't want to, I gag. Okay, I know a lot of you dirty ones are thinking, but that's not what I was talking about. I'm talking about, you know, stuff like, I can't, like artichoke hearts. I just can't do it. I used to love it as a child. I used to love the heart of the artichokes until my Uncle Angelo said, oh, you like the hearts? And I went, what? I thought they were artichokes. He's like, no, the artichokes are the like leaves. You like the heart. And I went, the heart. And in my mind, I kept thinking heart. Boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying? And that was it. I couldn't eat that after that. So that was done. Quite a few things has happened with certain types of food. And they're always like the good food. And then I just get turned off. So I don't get anxiety thinking about this. But I'm going to go out today and see if I can find food grade diatomaceous earth. If I can find it, if I can't find it today, then I will just come home and just order it on Amazon. But I still want to do research to see if there's any pill form because I'd rather do the pills than ingest the powder. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not excited yet. I just looked excited. No, this is more of I can't believe I'm doing it. But I'm going to do it for you guys because I know a lot of you are probably wondering what it tastes like and wondering if June will do this for her hair growth. And I will do anything for my hair growth. I'll do anything for you guys. If you guys want to see me review, test diatomaceous earth, comment down below. Also, if you comment down below and you like this video, you will earn a chance. You will earn a chance? No. You will give yourself a chance to win neem oil. Yay! 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 Neem oil, neem oil. I will be selecting the winner on Tuesday from this video. So comment, like. If you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed and you will be entered and I will send it out Tuesday. I said Tuesday morning, yes, because Monday's a holiday. Tuesday morning, I will pick a winner. It will be on camera. You will see who the winner is. And I'm sorry, it's only for US residents only, because I cannot send liquid overseas because that's like a huge thing. I just don't want to get involved with that drama, okay? So it's for US residents only. Yeah, I will send you organic neem oil. The neem oil that I use, I will send to you through Amazon, and that's it. So I hope to see you. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the diabetes earth. Do you want to see me try that? And if you know anything about pill form, please don't forget to comment, because yeah, I'll love you if you find me pill form. Okay guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.